Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the assets and targets. Open your photos or gallery and select the image you want to send. If needed, crop or reduce resolution to keep the file small. Next, copy the recipient's email address exactly from contacts or a message. Mistakes cause bounces. Once done, choose whether to send from messages as an MMS to email gateway or to create a new email in your mail app and attach the selected photo directly. Now you build the email around the photo. Open your mail app and compose a new message. Paste or type the recipient's email into. Tap the attach or insert photo icon and select the prepared image. If prompted, choose size. Small, medium, large, or actual size. Pick medium for balance of quality and deliverability. Then write a clear subject and short body explaining the image so the recipient knows why you sent it. Make sure attachments finish uploading before sending. Finally, send and verify delivery. Tap send and watch for a sent confirmation or an outbox entry if offline. Wait for the attachment upload to complete before closing the app. If the email bounces or never arrives, try sending a smaller file or convert the photo to JPEG, then resend. Alternatively, use a cloud link at Drive or iCloud and paste the link into the message. One key troubleshooting tip: if attachments are blocked, paste a shared link instead to avoid server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.